Hey everyone, it's Jim from SmokeLab. In this video today, we're going to teach you how to record a cook using our SmokeLab app. When we open the app, we'll come to the home page, which allows you to start or resume a cook, go to your library to look at past cooks, update your profile, or change your theme from light to dark. When we start a cook, we're going to have to enter some basic information. We'll give each cook a title, whatever's going to help you remember what it was. The date is automatically populated. We'll want to enter in the meat type. Today we're cooking a whole packer brisket, where we bought the meat, and how much it weighs. From there, we have a space to add general information that's going to make it easier for you. We recommend doing talk to text here, as it will be faster and keep your phone much cleaner. Another way we've made it easier to enter information here is use the barcode scanner function. Any box that has that minus circle in there, as shown by that arrow, you can click that and simply scan the barcode on your rub or your injection. That will automatically populate there. Sometimes it'll come up wrong or not come up at all. We're working on that, so you may have to enter some information. Once you've done that, we can keep moving and get our hands dirty. We're also going to use the barcode scanner for the charcoal. So I'm scanning my lump charcoal here. That populates, but I'm also using wood chunks. So I'm going to hit a couple of returns, and then I'm going to scan my wood chunk bag, like that. And there's a bunch of extra stuff, so I'm going to clean that up because some of that information is really not that important to me. From there, we're going to select our equipment. Using that down arrow, I'm going to select my smoker, and then I'll select my thermometer. All those have been entered into our profile information. Add meat notes if you'd like, but next we go on to the cook. The cook page is designed to capture the activities that you do while the meat is on the smoker, as well as when you do them. We've added a number of buttons to capture traditional activities and allow some room for you to customize your activities as well. Before we do that, let's start with some target temperatures, both for the meat and for our smoker. Once we have those in, we can click our meat on button, and that will start our overall cook timer. You'll see that entered in the activity table below. Anytime we click a new activity button, that will be populated in a line in the activity table below, as you see when we hit mop. These are all editable. They can be deleted by clicking the minus button to the right, shown here. Or you can click on the activity itself if you need to edit the time in which something was performed. For instance, I mopped 10 minutes ago, but forgot to click the mop button, so I'm going to set that time back closer to when I actually did it. Obviously, not all activities can be captured by those buttons we've added, so you can customize a lot of what you do. For instance, as I've wrapped this, I've added some beef tallow. I want to capture that as well. So I'm going to click on temp because I want to show the temp of the meat before I wrapped it. It'll give me a spot to add the temperature. We'll hit return. I'm going to go back up to wrap to show that I wrapped it. And then I'm going to add my custom activity by clicking on the add activity button, and that'll give me a chance to put free text in to the activity. So I'll note that I added tallow. As we go through the rest of the day, and the cook is done, we've done other activities, we're ready to go. Take that meat off the smoker, and we're going to tell you how it turned out. We'll rate on appearance, taste, tenderness, and overall rating. We'll use the sliders to give those scores, and then I can add a comment, either using the talk to text as I do here, or typing those comments in. Make the notes that you feel will help you remember what you did with this cook, and anything that you can think of that you would like to do differently, or things you want to make sure that you do again. Next, we're going to add some pictures of our cooks. So I click on the upload pictures, and we'll go right to our camera roll. Scroll up here a little bit to find the pictures from this cook. I can select multiple pictures at once. I'll select these two. Okay, and that'll populate them in this cook entry. You can see those pop up here. But now I want to add a thermometer screenshot. I used my signals thermometer. I earlier captured a screenshot of the temperature reading from my app. So I'm going to select that from my camera roll, and that'll automatically populate that in there. I save this, and now we have our entry that will be saved in our library. We capture all the information that we have put in so far. Everything we did for the cook, how it turned out, some of our comments. There's our thermometer screenshot. I can click on that and zoom in just like any other photo. I get back to the activity table. I can scroll through that as I wish. The app has also calculated the total cook time. That's from meat on to meat off, and shows the weather, the beginning and the end of the cook. And that is how you record a cook using SmokeLab. Thank you for your attention. Please give us a like, and we hope you enjoy the app.